Welcome to the review section. Now I want to talk a bit about Luckin Coffee. They were seen to be incredibly successful in 2019. They had made $561 million of shares on the stock exchange. And then they were worth $3 billion, which was soon raised to $12 billion the following January. So they had crazy growth. However, there was an elephant in the room, and that was that they were spending 3 times more than they were actually making. Elephant in the room.
Elephant in the room.
This was mainly due to them not having retail stores and selling lots of things with freebies, like you said, and huge discounts. So they were rarely selling their coffee at full price.
Right.
And this leads full circle to the point of understanding how a business should be run. Bring full circle.
Bring full circle.
They seem to have really fudged the numbers, and they even fabricated transactions by giving away coffee vouchers to people who were somewhat related to the business itself. So therefore, they lost a lot of money due to that as well. But they don't seem to be changing their business plan, and it seems that they're going to continue this way. But maybe all they need is a bit of a pick-me-up to keep the business on track.
Fudge the numbers.
Fudge the numbers.
Pick me up.
Pick me up.
But I'm curious, I mean, we both drink coffee.
Yep.
But do you think $5 or about 6,000 won is a reasonable price for a latte? And why are people willing to pay this much?
Well, I thought that Starbucks sells it for about that much.
I thought so too, yeah.
I personally don't drink latte. I drink ice Americano or Americano. It's because it's less calories and just straight coffee, I think.
Right.
But I personally wouldn't mind paying that much. I guess I don't think about coffee too much. As long as it's between the 4,000 won and let's say 6,000 won, I probably wouldn't think too much about it, to be honest with you.
Right.
How about you?
I'm the same. I'm the same. I know Starbucks did become super famous because of their $5 latte, but I don't really think about it. Like you said, we can get free, small cups of coffee at our workplace, but I wouldn't mind paying $5 for a latte. But I guess it would add up if I'm buying 2 every day. That's a lot of money.
Well, one of the problems that Luckin had is that they were giving away freebies. I mean, it gained popularity. However, I guess it was quite costly to their business. What kind of freebies or discounts do, let's say, retail stores offer in, England or even in Korea?
Oh, well, in Korea we have like the kind of famous 1+1.
Yeah.
Which is basically buy one, get one free. In England, that's mainly in like the food market.
Yeah.
When you go into supermarkets, there's buy one, get one free on like energy drinks or tea back in England. So I want to say it's mainly in supermarkets where I see these kind of freebies or especially discounts.
What's the purpose of these, do you think?
Simply to attract customers into buying the original product. I feel as though companies, even if they don't make profit or they don't sell it at full price, they still get somebody to buy their product, know the brand name, which could lead to future sales. I guess.
I guess well, for me, yes, we have the buy one, get one free in Australia, mainly with things such as, like Sam mentioned before, food products like milk, as well as maybe fruit, etc., etc. It doesn't seem to be on a lot of other like toiletries or anything like that. I don't see too much of that. And there's definitely not as much in the convenience stores in Australia. Like here in Korea, there's usually those sort of sales every month or every week. I think it's great for getting the name out there and maybe even get rid of some old like stock that they don't need so they can prepare for the next one. But the risk is that they could lose a lot of money in the process as well. Maybe this sort of promotion doesn't get as much attention as they want, so that can also be risky for the business.
Right, it makes sense. Okay, well that does it for this unit, and we'll see you in the next one.